Okay, standard P38, no faults in the air suspension. We're using the faultmate system to verify that there are no faults in the memory. Now we're going to induce a fault in the memory by reading the settings first. Now we're going to put an implausible value into one of the height sensors stored data values. This will upset the ECU because it likes them to be in a specific order. Immediately the fault is written in, the data is written in, it should induce a fault, and there you go, EAS fault. Very common sign. So now we're going to reread the memory to show the actual cause of the fault with the faultmate. And there the fault is height sensor data not valid. Now we'll swap over to the Eas Kicker. And we'll read the faults with the Eas Kicker. Listing one fault, which will show height sensor data not valid. Continues to scroll, but we'll go and clear that fault. Clearing the faults, then we'll reread the fault memory with the Eas Kicker and show that it's clear. No faults found.